Before you rent a moving truck or start packing boxes, there is one option many people overlook: portable storage units. They can make your move easier, more flexible, and more affordable. Let's break down what they cost and how the pricing works so you can decide if they are right for your move. Portable storage works pretty simply. A company drops off a storage container at your home. You fill it at your own pace, and once you are ready, they pick it up and either store it or deliver it to your new place. The cost depends mostly on the size of the unit, how long you keep it, and where it has to travel. A small unit, like an 8-foot container, usually costs around $120 a month. A medium-sized container can be closer to $150 to $200 a month. Larger containers can run $200 or more. On top of that, you will pay delivery fees and pickup fees, which often range between $80 and $250, depending on the provider and your location. Distance also affects the total. Local moves are usually much cheaper because the company does not need to transport the container very far. Long-distance moves increase the transportation portion of the cost. One thing people like about portable storage is the flexibility. You can pack slowly without rushing. You can keep the container on your property or have it stored in a secure facility. And for many families, the total cost ends up being less than hiring full-service movers. If you decide to use a portable unit, always compare quotes, ask about extra fees, and make sure the container size matches what you need so you do not pay for more space than necessary. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com, and also you can email us at contactus@movers.com or call us at 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.